Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in on the Royal Jordanian Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the check-in button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can check in by adding your booking reference number or your ticket number. So tap on the relevant one at the top, then tap on this first box in the middle of the screen and then type in the booking reference number and then your last name. Click on the check-in button and you will be able to check in if your reservation number is correct. If you tap on the ticket number, you should type in your ticket number and your last name and click on the check-in button and you will be able to finalize the process of checking in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.